Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Crypto Styling. Today I will share with you about a new billion project named as Paxwell. I will share all of their detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So starting on it, you can know about that the Bitcoin just hit 280 edges in 1 week, which meme will rise next. So Bitcoin has broken its new 80 twice in just 7 days, and every time BTC surges, token on the Bitcoin chain start to move faster. But in the middle of the hype, one project stands out not for its memes but for its mythology. Introducing you with the Paxibel, the forgotten meme empire rising from the abyss. So Bitcoin hits new 80th, and you can know about that. This could be the perfect setup for the tokens builds. We all saw what Dollar Pape did, launches quietly, zero utility, 100%. You can see it here, the Bitcoin rise, which is shown over the past week. Bitcoin has broken new 80th twice. BTC layer 2 gem like $PXB is about to explode. You can see it here, its price on the coin market cap and a dollar Pepe history. You can know with the 300x, and now that dollar PXB, a brand new frog meme coin on the most secure chain, which is on the Bitcoin, and launches quietly, zero utility, 100% meme project here. So then still 200x in months. Now imagine that save viral energy, but on Bitcoin layer 2, not only faster and cheaper, it rides the oldest, most trusted chain in crypto. This is not a copy paste meme, it's a Pappy DNA involved on Bitcoin real. So furthermore, you can know about while most meme coins you can see copy each other, so why choose dollar PXP over other meme coins? So now I will share that why you have to choose Paxibel on the other meme coins. And you can see it here, they have the prologue, Lightroom, the ABs as a word drawn in souls. You can read all their details about the story of that, a thousand of years, and the memes. So you can see while most of the meme coins copy each other with no soul or substance, PXB dares to tell a you can see story, a deep ancient lore stretching 10,000 years beneath the Marina Trench, and not just type, but the deep narrative and the world building built on the Bitcoin chain and rising as BTC hits the new ATEATH and combines NFT gamification, staking, and lower mystery eggs is equal to randomized power, reward, and rarity. You can see all the details which is showing here. You can see furthermore on that. You can see it here, all the detail. You can join the pre-sale which is given here. Not everyone deserves to hatch the eggs, but everyone can try. Dollar PXP, receive mystery egg stakings, and burn tokens from here too. So I share the details here. Furthermore, with the PXP, you can buy token to receive mystery eggs, which is the NFT, stake or burn tokens to unlock their hidden powers, help the community to rebuild the Exibel empire, uncover NFTs, and you can get unlock lost map pieces, NPCs, meme frogs, and complete the 4 title first meme overland. Furthermore, I want to share with you about that project, the first meme empire on Bitcoin layer 2 limited offer, which is given here. You can see it here, they have the limited offer which is going on, plus 5% token bonus for early birds. You can see it here, the 6 days, 9 hours, and 11 minutes are left. Your purchase will be given here, receive PXP, buy and stake. By PXP, you can even though connect it with your wallet. From here you have to touch on it, you can connect anyone you are using here. So I will connect it with the MetaMask. For that I will just add it here, connected here, and you can easily connect that with it. You can see its connecting is completed here. You can see it here, you can see the Bitcoin layer 2, and they have the limited offer, 5% token bonus for early birds. You can see hesiting and waiting for PEXP to pump, buy dollar PEXP and get 5% dollar PEXP. Now do not miss, they have the 5% bonus reward for early birds here. So furthermore, they have the staking reward, which is 5,572%. You can see there all the details is given. You can see total reward is 10%, and they have the pool, and you can see estimated reward which is given here. You can see that they have the reward and rate which is given here. You can see all that. You can claim your rewards from here. Furthermore, they have given here the fire Bitcoin. They have the impressive milestone $1M in a week, so you can see it here. Grab it now, pexibel.com, or miss out. You can see their details is also given on here. So furthermore, I share with you about their featured on the newspaper. You can see a mythical meme coin adventure on Bitcoin layer 2 Pexibel, which is given here about on the Crypto Wiz news. So you can see they have the another one, the Crypto Inside Pexibel. They have also the news about that, the Bitcoin layer 2 meme coin. You can see it here. Furthermore, if I go for their web3 wire, you can see also they have given here the Bitcoin layers 2 details about that. You can see all that. Further, they have also the KOLs and community. You can see if we search $PXB, the KOLs are given like it's not just another meme coin, it's full blown meme. They are even giving $500K raised in that. They are sharing their details, their experience in it. You can read their details from here. Furthermore, you can see other details from here, and they have also the social media given on. You can join them on their social media, like you can follow them on the Twitter, and you can see their post, and you can be a part of their rewards that are going. He is probably thinking of other girls, but he is going and searching I will appy in on Pexibel. So there is the meme given here. You can read that. There is all the details about that is even, so must go and join that so that you can get to know about these meme. Furthermore, you can even though go and join them on their Telegram, their details given here. So I share all their details. I recommend you to go and do your own research before investing in this project. All their detail is given. I will share my link here, and I will give you my affiliate link so you can come and join that.